Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel Hasib Insights. If you want to listen this video in other language, then please click on the setting button of this video and click on audio track tab. Then select language you are interested to listen this video. Are you tired of complicated accounting software? Do you want an easy, professional and cloud-based accounting solution for your business? Then it's time to switch to Zoho Books, one of the smartest and most user-friendly accounting software solutions available today. Whether you are a freelancer, startup, small business owner, agency, consultant, or growing company, Zoho Books helps you manage your complete business accounting from anywhere in the world. And the best part, it is simple, affordable, customizable, and extremely powerful. With Zoho Books, you can create professional invoices within seconds. You can send invoices directly to clients through email or WhatsApp, track payment status, send automatic reminders, and even accept online payments easily. No more manual bookkeeping headaches. Zoho Books allows you to manage 1. Sales invoices, 2. Expenses, 3. Bank transactions, 4. Estimates and quotations, 5. Purchase orders, 6. Vendor bills, 7. Inventory, 8. Payroll integrations, 9. Tax management, 10. Financial reports, 11. Client portal access, 12. Multi-currency transactions, 13, and much more. One of the biggest advantages of Zoho Books is that it is completely cloud-based. This means you can access your accounts anytime, anywhere, from your laptop, desktop, tablet, or even your mobile phone. Whether you are in office, at home, traveling, or meeting clients, your accounting system is always with you. And if you are a freelancer or remote worker from countries like Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, UAE, or anywhere in Asia, this software can become a complete accounting partner for your business. The interface is extremely clean and beginner friendly. Even if you are not an accountant, you can still use Zoho Books comfortably because everything is organized in a simple and modern dashboard. Another amazing feature is bank reconciliation. Zoho Books can connect with your bank accounts and automatically import transactions, helping you save hours of manual data entry. You also get powerful financial reports like profit and loss statement, balance sheet, cash flow reports, tax reports, expense reports, accounts receivable aging, accounts payable aging, and many more. These reports help business owners make smarter financial decisions quickly. Now let's talk about customization. Zoho Books gives you complete flexibility to customize invoices, templates, workflows, email notifications, approval systems, taxes, branding, and automation rules according to your business requirements. You can even add your company logo and create beautiful branded invoices that look highly professional. And if your business is growing, no problem. Zoho Books integrates smoothly with many other Zoho applications, including Zoho CRM, Zoho Inventory, Zoho Payroll, Zoho Projects, Zoho Analytics, Zoho Expense, and many third-party applications too. This creates a complete business ecosystem under one platform. Now let's discuss pricing. Zoho Books offers multiple pricing plans suitable for different business sizes and budgets. They also frequently update their plans depending on features and regions. You can check the latest official pricing here. I suggest to start from free or standard version. For signing up, please click on the link given in description. For many small businesses and freelancers, Zoho Books is considered extremely affordable compared to expensive accounting software available in the market. And the value you receive is honestly outstanding. You also get mobile apps for both Android and iPhone, allowing you to create invoices, record expenses, check reports, and manage clients directly from your phone. Security is another major advantage. Zoho Books uses strong security systems and cloud backup protection to keep your financial data safe and secure. So whether you are running an agency, e-commerce business, consultancy firm, software house, trading company, or freelance business, Zoho Books can simplify your accounting operations and save valuable time. If you want professional accounting without complexity, then Zoho Books is definitely worth trying. Start managing your business smarter, faster, and more professionally today with Zoho Books. I suggest to start from free version. For signing up, please click on the link given in description. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more business software reviews accounting tips, and freelancer tools. Thank you for watching this video.